pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. We've already lost one on this one, unable to get to the line, so he will move up in our consolation bracket, but it is all good in the hood as we get him underway. Our field of 105 pilots that went through our tablet system down to our top 64, and in this one they're all shuffled up from about 6th overall to about 60th overall, and now that's just to get to this point. It doesn't matter. Watch a MeWow FPV come out of the low side of the tower. Looks like he's going to be your leader here after one. Yeah, he is with a 31.7. Then we got some other fast pilots coming through. That was Envy Astro on to lap number 2. Running in our number 3 spot as we get him through this tunnel might be Velocidrone, might be Danny Chan. It is going to be Danny Chan just ahead of SFPV. They are in the 3-4 position, and then Brain Drain as well. But we had a little bit of a mid-air, but it looks like everyone's still going, and Brain Drain in the number 5 spot, still pushing a few. On to lap number 3, we go with MeWow FPV. We are on our final lap here to figure out who's moving up. Let's go up. Boom. 3 laps in 1:26 for MeWow FPV to win this one right here. Few more to finish. Moving on to the number 2 spot is Envy Astro. A few more to finish here. Look at this battle between SFPV and Brain Drain. This is for 3rd and 4th across our line. As they come out of the tower, it'll be Brain Drain in the number 3 spot, moving up in our winner's bracket. SFPV in our winner's bracket as well in the number 4 spot, which means Danny FPV, EM Drones, RaceBot FPV, and Ethan FPV are 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. And this is what we talked about on Facebook right now. This is the most important thing that happens after every single heat.